Uqhawe tells the family that uZoleka slept with Mawethu. Yo, akasadinanga uHlathi. Thumeka yena realizes ukuthi uHlathi will never let go of Zoleka. He will always love her. Sydney gets escorted out of Khusela ngamaphoyisa. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Uqhawe was shocked. And then what is Mawethu doing at Zoleka's house? Ufunani wena la? I thought we're coming here to talk to your sugar mama to find out what to do next. Mawethu, I was here to check for you, to look for you. Uqhawe won't even give him a benefit of the doubt, saying, who do you love more, me or my mom? Mawethu, I love you, Jana. You're the one I love. But Uqhawe doesn't believe it, leaves and goes to sleep. In the morning, everyone was just shocked with how figure life so what's happening. Uqhawe does not tell them what's going on, but she's ignoring calls. Zoleka keeps on phoning her, but she doesn't pick up. And then Mawethu tells Zoleka, I cannot lose Uqhawe like this. I need to make things right. I need to fix this. And then Zoleka goes to Cosmo to check Uqhawe. Mafika lapha uHlathi is like, what are you doing here? Athi ngizobheka Uqhawe, please mntanami, let's talk. Athi Uqhawe, I don't want to talk to you. I confided in you, told you ngithanda uMawethu, but mawuqeda khona kanti you are sleeping with uMawethu. Imagine in front of the whole family. You should have seen Hlathi's face. Shocked ukuthi uZoleka was sleeping with uMawethu. Njani? Athi inyani lento Zoleka. Njani, sitshadile nje. You should have seen the canvas face, no Thumeka. They were just shocked. Athi Uqhawe, please leave. I'm gonna come tomorrow to the house to get my things to pack. And then Zoleka was just so head crying. Zoleka can't even explain. It was before Uqhawe dated Mawethu. And then Zoleka leaves. Uhlathi is like, hey, hey, leave me alone wena. Zoleka akampeki indawo Uhlathi. But Thumeka realizes ukuthi Uhlathi will always love Zoleka. Shame. And then umndeni kaZondo, uLwandle tells them ukuthi this time around I'm not going down for you guys. I'm choosing myself. And then Zoleka no Lazarus, they discuss this, saying that they need to figure out something to do. No Sydney, no Lwandle. And then Zoleka decides what he's going to call it detective. These guys must give a statement. Sydney was shocked that Zoleka, how can you do this? This is very low. Because now they're getting escorted out of a Khusela Tech. Police escorting them out of Khusela Tech. Imagine the spectacle, the employees looking at them. And then Lazarus is not happy, saying why did you call the police on them and all that? As Zoleka, you said I must deal with it. I did exactly that. Do you know that now they want to go through our records and all that? Zoleka was like, I'm so tired of you not trusting me. I'm CEO, let me lead, let me run the company the way I know how. Don't you trust me? At high Temba. And then Tum ke no Uhlathi ngene edumini kaThumthum encoma ama-bedding. Kanti uHlathi definitely wants to be intimate. Athi uThumthum qha. A woman who fears God does not sleep with a man unless they are married. Hi, well done, Thumthum. Athi phuma Uhlathi endlini yami. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.